Hey everybody, it's Toronto Guy here with another delightful, word of the day, delightful episode of Toronto Guy Cooks. Today we're going to be making a very simple, yet very delightfully awesome roasted tomato and basil pasta. Simple, awesome. You know, as you can see, I'm just overexcited. I've already started. So I don't even know what else to say. But this can be. Oh, calm down. All right, calm down. Some people will call this like a pesto, but for pesto, you also need pine nuts. I couldn't find any anywhere. I wasn't going to order any from Amazon because they're like $50 for a little bag. You also add Parmesan cheese. Couldn't find any fresh Parmesan. I have that powdered stuff, the smelly feet stuff that people put on spaghetti. Didn't want to use that, so we're going to keep it simple with seasonings. So we're just going to call it roasted tomato and basil pasta, all right? Now what we got to do is, well, first we got to roast the tomatoes. So what I've done is I have 9 Roma tomatoes. This here is a total of 8 because for all of you uncultured, undelightful people who don't know what a Roma tomato looks like, it's one of these ones that look like this. Not perfectly round, but it's like the tip of a boob, you know? It's like a tip of a nice, juicy, succulent, delightful hooter. So what I like to do with all my tomatoes is I cut this bottom part. I cut the sphincter off. You can opt to keep the sphincter. I like to cut them off, and I'm slicing them in half. So let's cut this final one up. There we go. Sphincter off, cut in half for a total of 9, total of 18 halves. Halves. Who writes these words? Now, before we put them in, we preheated the oven 400 degrees. Before we put them in here, we're gonna drizzle some olive oil on our Roma tomatoes. I guess you can use any kind of tomatoes, but I'm choosing to use Roma because I am today identifying as Italian. All right, there we go. Drizzle some of that on there. And on top of that, we're gonna add some salt. All right, just get around there. Doesn't have to be perfect because when these are all nice and roasted, we're gonna pulverize them in our, well, my Ninja food processor, baby. I got a professional one, baby, which I don't even know if I've actually shown that on film yet. Maybe I have, I just don't remember, but yeah, I've got a professional Ninja food processor. And we're gonna add some pepper. Here we go. Here we go. And you can just keep it as that. I'm gonna add also some garlic powder. We're gonna add fresh garlic, but we're gonna do that later. But I'm running low on this garlic powder, so why not start using it up so we can buy some more. So let's also sprinkle some garlic powder over our lovely Romas, or sorry, our delightful Romas. All right, there we go. Very good, very good. Take a brush, get these at the dollar store. I got a 3-pack for $1, multiple sizes. Just brush them, just I was gonna say liberally, conservatively, or whatever you identify as today, you stinking political clowns. There we go. Just do that. Oh, that already smells amazing. Damn. Just eat it as is. All right, that was this episode of Toronto Guy Cooks. Yay, tomatoes with salt, pepper, and garlic powder and oil. You're done. All right. Oven is 400 degrees. What we're gonna do, throw these in the oven, roast them for 1 hour. All right, let's do that now. There we go. Set the timer. This is gonna be so tasty, so tasty. 1 hour. Now, when there's about 15-20 minutes left, I'm gonna start roasting, or toasting, not roasting, toasting some raw, plain almonds. All right, that's right, we're gonna toast them. We're gonna toss them in with the Ninja. Add some toasted almond flavor, a little bit of crunch to it. You don't have to do this. I like doing this. I like a little crunch to it. We're gonna add more. We're gonna do the basil. We're gonna add fresh garlic, but you all just have to wait until, you probably don't need to see me start doing the toasting. I could probably come back in an hour and everything's basically ready to go from there, right? As in right now. Okay, we're not at the hour mark yet, or the 12, well, actually there's 23 minutes left. And I'm starting to toast the almonds in a pan on just a little less than medium heat. We're just gonna roll it like this. Just let it go like that. Give it a shake every minute or so until I feel like they're ready and toasted and ready to go. Didn't want people to not see what I'm doing here because by the time the tomatoes are ready to be taken out, the almonds will be like ready to go in the Ninja with the tomatoes. But we're not gonna put all the almonds in the Ninja. We're only gonna put, this is about half a cup of almonds, regular almonds. We're gonna put about a third of the cup of these in with the Ninjas. The other, whatever it works out to, we're gonna chop it up nice and slicing nicey, and we're gonna just sprinkle it over top of our pasta to make it look all awesome and pretty. And we're gonna make bacon our pasta. So, oh, it smells good. Oh, it really does. Oh man, I forgot about that smell. Awesome. So we got another 22 minutes. I'm gonna finish toasting the almonds, and we'll be back in the aforementioned delightful 22 minutes. All right, it's been the aforementioned 22, however long minutes. Everything's looking great. The almonds have been toasted. The pasta is pretty much cooked. We're gonna, let's turn the oven off. Got a Ninja here. Ninja's getting in the way, but it's a Ninja. It can do whatever it wants. Let's drain the pasta first of all. Here we go. All right, you can go there. One thing I like to do after draining pasta, add a little olive oil to it. There we go, just a little drizzle, just to keep it from going all dry before we add everything else to it. Just give it a nice quick stir. You can also add more salt, well, some salt, pepper, some red pepper flakes, or just you don't even have to do nothing. But one thing for sure, you don't want to run water over it because you want the sauce to stick to the pasta. That's one thing I used to do as a kid, man. Whenever we made pasta, spaghetti or whatever, I always ran it under water when it was done. So when we put the sauce on it, the sauce would just not even attach itself to the pasta noodles. So yeah, don't drain it don't rinse it. Just strain it. Done. All right. Now, oh, yeah. Okay, we got our almonds. We've also got some that I've chopped up nicely for the nice pretty design afterwards for the picture. We've got the debut of the Ninja right here, which may or not, this might be the second time. Let's just pretend it's the debut. Welcome aboard, Ninja. All right, oven's off. Let's take out our lovely, delightful roasted tomatoes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, they smell amazing. They look delightful. What a super awesome job. Now, we're gonna let's de-lid the Ninja. We're gonna take half of these tomatoes, put them in the Ninja, blend them up with everything. The other half we're gonna chop up just coarsely, toss them over the pasta. Let's take half of our tomatoes. Ooh, listen to the sizzle. I love the sizzle. In you go. There we go, that's half of them. The other half, shall we chop them up now? Let's chop them up real quick now, and then toss them in there, and then do all the Ninja ink. So give me another knife, baby. Just as I said, just there you go. Don't want to do it too much. Remember, I mean, probably shouldn't do it in the tin foil. The tin foil is going to rip apart and get in here. But don't worry, I am a self-proclaimed professional. All right. Excellent. Chop them up as finely or as coarsely as you want. Oh, so awesome. So awesome. Let's take these, toss them in with the pasta. There we go. Oh my God, smells amazing, looks friggin' amazing. What a chef I am. That's right, ladies. All you ladies I tried to friggin' make my woman back in 2015. Now what, huh? What are you eating today? Probably shit. That's what you're eating. Let's give this a quick mix up. Give it an early head start to mix. Oh yeah. Now comes super. See, as I said, I like my food chunky, stuff like this, so I can see stuff. So you can obviously chop it up even coarser, or even if you want, add all the tomatoes into your imitation Ninja. All right, not my real one. To this, we got our toasted almonds. Great thing about toasted almonds, they smell awesome when you're cooking them, but also when you toast them, it softens them up, but they still got a little bit of a crunch to them. I love it, love it, love it, love it. To that, we got a cup of packed fresh basil. Yeah, baby, get it. Oh, smells delightful, big time. And to that, I'm using 6 cloves of garlic. You can use more or less, whatever you want. There we go. Oh. Okay. All right, Ninja. It's time to do your ninja-ing. All right, cover your ears, kids. All right, let's see. Oh, it smells amazing. It pulverized it, man. Oh, please make out with me every day. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a little bit of oil just to make it a little more saucy. There we go. Let's add about a tablespoon. There we go. Very delightful indeed. Put the lid on the oil, idiot. There we go. Don't want to have a fire in my delightful kitchen that you all won't help me upgrade in because you're all selfish. All right, cover your ears. There, how's it looking? Oh, it is not only looking phenomenal, it is smelling phenomenal. Let's get some of the stuff down there. Let's get it all down to the bottom. We're gonna give it one, oh, come on, man. Damn. One last big, long, delightful pulse. Ooh, baby. Match up the arrows. There we go. Match up the arrows in my ninja professional. All right, cover your ears. That's right, baby. 900 watts of destructive ninja power. All right, there we go. Oh, come on, man. Awesome. Let's take our centerpiece out. There you go. Thank you. Welcome to the show. Yep. All right. You can now sit aside real quick. Get over here. You're in the way. Let's center everything. Probably used too much pasta, but who cares? It's gonna still taste awesome anyway. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Got some more in there. I want as much of it out of here and into my pot, and then eventually into my belly, and then eventually into the sewer as possible, baby. Yeah, love it. Oh. All right. Let's give it a mix up. Oh yeah. Now you can use however much pasta you want. I used, I think 450 grams. It's looking, I'm sure that's perfectly enough, man, damn. Looks like it's gonna be just saucy enough, but not too saucy. We got our big chunky pieces of roasted tomatoes in there. Oh boy. Oh, come on, man. Why do I do this to myself? Let me get a spoon. All right. Oh, oh my God. Oh, delightful. Turn the light off. There we go. Now, before we plate it, I have some fresh basil left to the side. We stacked it on top. Well, I did. You didn't do nothing. I stacked it on top. We're gonna roll it like we're rolling a J, and we're gonna give it some nice little slices for the topping and awesomeness. All right, that's done. Let me just let me try it with a big piece of tomato. Oh yeah. Let's enhance the flavor with a little salt, baby. Salt to taste. There we go. All right, you'll be. Yeah, I'll just stick you in my mouth for a second. All right. Now, of course, you can also add, if you want, add cream to this to have a more creamy sauce. Just add, I don't know, like steak spice. Add some of that. Just experiment, people. Come on. Oh my God. Come on, man. And the toasted almonds are not crunchy, but they got the texture to them. They're perfect. Give me a bowl. Have one more, please. Let's have a piece of this, please. Oh God. Oh, it's so freaking good. Oh my God, that's amazing. Delightful is what it is. Oh my God. All right. Let's bowl it. Make sure we get some of our big pieces of roasted tomatoes in there. Oh God, this is so, seriously, this is simple to make and just crazy, crazy looks awesome. And even more crazy, crazy tastes phenomenal. All right, there we go, that's good. Now we're gonna take some of our side almond bits, just sprinkle it over as much as you want, or not even at all. There we go. Excellent. You can take a hike. We'll see you later. Actually, you know what? You can go back in there. And some of our roly-poly basil. Oh my God. You know, if my wanger were big enough, I would probably do myself in the ass. As usual, you know the drill. You all know how selfish you are with your money, your hard-earned money. You won't give it to me so I can upgrade and have better lighting in here. So we're just gonna take a picture and take a delightful picture and insert it right here. And there you have it, kids. A simple yet phenomenal, amazing, delightful roasted tomato and basil pasta. Some walnuts in there, some garlic. Be creative with your cooking. Be creative in life. Okay? There's more to life. Oh, seriously, it's coming back. It's like, my stomach is like burping, saying, give me more. There's more to life than pissing and moaning about what's going on in the world that you can't change. Okay? So stop wasting your friggin' time and enjoy the good things in life, like cooking or whatever. I want to smash my face into this pot. We'll see you next time. Toronto Guy Cooks.